Hold on, stay like that. Hello vlog. We're camping at Gulf Shore State Park. And yeah, so we're about to leave. Got the whole car packed up. Going with 3 of my friends, Peyton, Lily, and Patrick, which you'll see throughout the video. We're gonna show y'all our gas station haul. Gas station haul chick. I got the white cheddar popcorners things because these are literally so good. And then I got just like sweet tart ropes because I needed something sweet. I got the popcorners kettle corn. Yeah. I know this is not good for you, but I got it. It's fine. I eat Reese's every single day, by the way. I got like core water because I don't know what the water situation is, so I got some more water. Even though I brought a whole case of water. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I got an Alani because I'm sleep deprived. A vitamin water. Love liquids apparently. That's what I'm getting to. And I got another Alani because I'm sleep deprived. Yay! Road trip! Road trip! Sorry guys, I'm like, this Patrick. Oh my gosh, I'm like flashing the
We're literally freaking leaving the freaking restaurant. It's time to go to the beach. It's time to go to the freaking beach, my
yeah. No! You cannot put me and Peyton together, it's bad. We have made it to a campsite. We are setting up our Enos. Peyton and I are doing a double-decker situation, and there's alligators. Oh, you can't even see that. But there's alligators in that creek. This is actually yeah, this is too short. I think I got it. Oh, okay. All right, Peyton, show the situation we got going. Okay, y'all, that's how we're sleeping. Oh, all the stuff, y'all. Look how freaking jam-packed this thing is. I didn't bring my straps. No, you're joking. You're joking. Swear. Can we sleep together? We have to. Bro. Wait a second. No, there was 2 more bags in there. Yeah. One's my bug net. One's my rain tarp. Oh. Oh, we have to sleep together. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm just kidding. Peyton is regretting her life choices. I can't believe I forgot that crap. It's kind of like, Lily, you don't have extra straps, do you? Extra hammock straps? I do not. What happened? I forgot my. We're sleeping together. All right, y'all. We are attempting to put 2 hammocks on one set of straps, and I'm actually terrified for my life. This is crazy. If we fall in the middle of the night, this is Peyton improvising. Yep, there's Patty. It's my redneck ingenuity. Redneck ingenuity. That's what we call it out here. Yo, I have to sleep next to this person. You're terrifying. I hope you fall off. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Oh. We're on the beach. I know you want me. Yeah, so. Yeah, so you may be wondering, why would she do that? And I'm wondering the same thing. All right, y'all, we're saving this fish. In the water. Yes, we're such good humans. Oh, swim off, little buddy. Wait, what if he was trying to kill himself? Bro, it ain't that deep. Swim. Just you got this, girl. You got it, cowgirl. Jump up there. What's going on? It's 5:30 in the morning. Good morning. Don't we look so great? Just kidding. We're gonna go watch the sunrise. Literally can't. So for breakfast, I have a core power and a banana. It's so pretty. Okay.
All right.
Are we ready? Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Everything is cool.
Not real.
Go faster. Hey. Beach bed. Alright guys, we got bread for breakfast. Hey. Really good. Bread of life. That's what we read this morning. It's great. Great day to be alive. Oh, it's such a nice day out. Guys, this is Lillian.
Hey guys,
What's on your agenda today?
biking and beach,
Sounds pretty
not
solid.
getting sunburned.
Nope. I think we're biking to this like farmer's market. I don't really know. It looks like a farmer's market. So much fun. Yum. What did we get, Peyton?
We got a beef skewer, a pork skewer, and a chicken skewer. Protein. Okay, you ready?
Protein.
Is that like burning bad or no?
It's like,
We're not good.
you're not good. Shall we do a beach lunch haul?
I think we should do a beach lunch haul. My hair was curled at one point.
I have a little Frenchie braid in. We did not get a pub sub.
No, because it was
Expensive.
expensive. It was $12.
And this was like what?
And we don't have man. Well,
We don't have
my
a
man won't pay for it because I don't have a man.
My man's just not here. But
So we got turkey, cheddar, and bacon and wheels. Turn me up. This is incredible. I got my kombucha. This one is the Synergy, the golden pineapple. Super, super good. I got a pack of gum because you always got a half fresh breath. You never know who you're gonna meet.
it's leaking. Watermelon.
We got some watermelon to keep our mouth cold. Hydrated, stay hydrated. And then we got some Honey Crisp, I was about to say Gala. Honey Crisp apples. Apples.
What kind of
Life's just
vibing?
pretty good.
Life is good. No
Like-
complaints here.
No complaints. I mean, like, what? Come on, the sun's out.
About to go
Fun's
get our
out.
freaking tan/burn on.
I gotta get my freaking butt out. Anyways, yeah. It's
Yeah.
been so real.
It's been fun.
So fun.
It's
been real fun.
Okay, bye. We have made it to the beach. Something about eating watermelon on the beach is just a vibe. Rate your experience thus far. Life is good again. Life just feels so fresh. So is this watermelon. I could do this all day. On your mark, get set, go. You're getting smocked. Okay. Not even a competition. Not even. Great day to be alive. How's everybody feeling this fine afternoon? I'm glad.
He like might take off if you like keep that up. We're gonna see him like just going.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. What if he took his wife out? Put all
Oh, your butt is in my face. Oh, if this thing breaks, we're toast. We're freaking toast. Wait, brother. Okay. Anyways, you think you're not even the fuck.
No, we have really good, like, this is my Eno. We're not breaking Kylie's good.
When she comes, she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Last leave. I'm taking you down with me if I go down. You go down with me.
How's it going out there?
Oh no, we got it. Last night I was trying to switch sides and I almost dumped myself.
If I woke up to you freaking face planted on the ground, I would die.
I would have got up and be like, I'm fine.
All right, guys, we got the dinner fits on.
Dinner fits. Sunburn is like actually
Yeah, show
terrible.
them. Yeah, show them.
I wish I don't. Oh, I think you can kind of see it, but it's like.
Yeah, look at that big circle. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at this lighting. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Time to go to dinner. All right, what we got going on?
Bacon on the hardwood fire. Gonna be
Hardwood?
smoked perfectly. Look at that. Hear that sizzle.
That's the good stuff.
Exquisite.
So fun.
Finished product.
Mmm.
What do you think about it?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Whoa. Back again for the sunrise. We're leaving today. Sad.
Bruh.
Oh, core power.
Banana.
I think the plan today is that they're gonna go to mess. Peyton and I are gonna go to a coffee shop. Then we're gonna head home. Not much to do today. This is my friend Sarah.
Hi.
What are y'all's plans today?
Probably stay at the beach, then we have to go pack up, and then maybe come back to the beach before going home.
Fun.
Maybe not.
Oh, why am I video? It's cold. Guys, what should I get? What should I get? They all look so good. Look at this. Donuts.
Boy.
And I'm an unhealthy girl. Just kidding. Good donut. Guys, Peyton is driving me to yet another donut shop. What am I doing? Look at all these. They're so good. Yum. That looks really good. We got a blueberry donut. About to smash it down.
We also got breakfast tacos.
Hey.
We some girls that can eat.
Yeah, we got big bags. We might actually
got
get
big
more.
bags.
We might actually get more food.
Yeah, actually. That'll be it for this video. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I kind of had fun. Like I do a lot of spontaneous fun things like this, so I'm just gonna start picking up my camera and vlogging more. But yeah, I really don't know what video will be next. I have no idea. When it'll be posted, I have no idea. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Go have a great day, and may the Lord bless you and keep you.